In this video, I will show you how to hide Instagram followers and following lists. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, for Instagram, you cannot completely hide your followers and following list from everyone on Instagram. The primarily method to do that is by making your account private. And to make your account private, what you need to do is once you open up your application on your mobile phone, like I've done, you're going to go to the bottom, the far right where you see your icon. Once you click on that, you're going to click on these three buttons at the top. And once you click on that, you're going to search account privacy. And you click on it. Now, once you click on it, you can toggle this on. And once you toggle that on, it's going to switch you to private. Now, once you click on that, it's going to get you to a private account. And you're going to be able to hide your followers and following lists. Another way to also do it, if you wouldn't like to make your page private, is to block particular users, and then you can have them in a list. So you can go to any user, click on them. You can click on these three dots at the top, and once you click on it, you can click on block, and you're going to be able to block the users and prevent them from seeing your following or following list. Now that's how you hide Instagram followers and following list. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.